So this is gonna be a fairly short video, just on how to do a checksum with built-in Windows tools without having to download anything. I'm always pretty annoyed by tutorials that or things that show you how to do a checksum in Windows and recommend it just to check file integrity and all of that stuff, and then they make you download this other tool. So yeah, every window has this built-in tool called Certutil, and this is how you use it. So you go to your command prompt, open that up. Can Google how to do that. Then you put Certutil, then you put the option hash file, then space, and then you can either type out the file path or you can do what I did here. Just find where it is, grab it, drag, and that's in the file path, then space. And now from here you would put the hash that you want to do. So right here we're gonna check on the SHA-256, this downloaded file. It should match. It's gonna be here. Put SHA-256, press enter, gives us our file hash here. Now we're gonna compare. There's probably a way to pipe that into another command to compare text, but I'm not that fancy. Let's try to find that hash. 2815, right? So it seems to match. We could even do this. I believe that copies it. Then exact match. Let's check the file name, VirtualBox 6.1.6, blah 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 blah. Matches the name, and our hash matches. So it's pretty simple. Just to run through it again, put Certutil, hash file, file name, then the hash you want to run, and it finds it. And there's a lot of other cool stuff you can do with Certutil, but yeah, I don't really know how to use it that well, but yeah, you could use it if you want to do live off the land and do that sort of thing. It has a lot of really useful tools built in. So let's see here. Actually, control. Okay, yeah. So Certutil. Okay, never mind. Damn. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! Bunch of other stuff you can do. Okay, there we go. And that's it. Yeah, a lot of certificate stuff. Lots of options. It's a pretty cool tool. And that's that.